October naman di ay. NBA Finals, who you got? Siguro kuan, Lakers kay sila man ang favorite sa sa series. Prediction ako Lakers in 6, I guess, or in 5. Pero malay mo no basig mulaban yun ang Miami. Pero naman ko si LeBron Speakas. Ready na ang the GOAT, Alex Caruso. Gahay pa ba kay Tyler Hero? Kusma day, diba girls? Joke lang. Nga naman nag-choke ang Clippers eh. Yung UK Clippers ba? Na-expose sila siguro. Tira na sa ng playlist. Na. Pretend lang ta kunyari. Wata kabalo. Okay, excited. Abangan ang reaction video sa entire album. Because we love music, man. Kaning twice na doon mag-comeback mo po sila. Cover, karon. Ayos yun lang rendition ba? I like it. Kasi yung solo, no? Rose. Ayos po din yung rendition. Nice. Well, after how many years? Nasugda nagyudula. Sila kapil din noon. Beginners. Jazz Fusion. Muro ning last na music video gi-film ni Freddie Mercury before he died. Wow. Payat na ka siya ba? Frail na ka siya dire.
The next morning.
Kipalabas sa TV5 atong isang adlaw. Tagalog lang, gidab. And I would say, for me, it's one of the greatest movies of all time. Along with Forrest Gump, Green Mile, they're all Tom Hanks. Yeah, very impressed with the movie. I recommend you to watch this. Sikat naman day ang city pop na genre karon nowadays. Daga na naga-city pop. Well, sabi nila kay gikan man daw sa Japan ang genre. But inspired gyapon siya sa 80s synth pop, also American funk and soul music from the 70s. My goodness, I tried making a rap song. It's rap. Gimuan ako remake ang Trickster song. Pairam ako tricks. Ano mo 6 sense guys. Hang out with you sad guys. Kausa kaya ang season 3 sa Michuri? If ever na puro Yujesok shows. Oh shit, bardok. Oh. Triple double? That's all they needed. Ano ko kabaluan sa kong ibutang, pero I would like to say para sa mga taong down and out nowadays, sana wag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Trust in yourself at importante ang pananampalataya sa Diyos. You do you. Don't listen to criticisms. I guess evaluate yourself sa constructive criticisms. Don't let the haters go through your mind. You do you. Yeah, that's all. Kung na may suggestion sa next edition of this series, comment down below. Kamot lang kung na-comment.